Hi, my name's Alex. I'm the machining apprentice here at NIKKEN. This week, myself and Charles have been working on this prototype. The purpose of this prototype is to use compressed air to create a barrier between the coolant and the windows of your CNC machine. After producing the first prototype, we noticed it wasn't as effective as we hoped, so myself and Charles have been working to improve upon the design.
After experiencing some minor issues with our initial design, we researched the principles of laminar airflow, often used in fluid dynamics. We've added a lip here. This will try and achieve laminar flow and greater power. So we'll now run a test on our Minx machine, which is running a really aggressive high-speed boring demo, and we'll see if this manages to keep the window clear. Although our second prototype worked and was much more effective at keeping the window clear, we decided there was still a lot of room for improvement, so stay tuned for another redesign.